Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best foot circulation machine on the market, the REATHLETE leg massager. If you're someone who deals with tired, achy legs or wants to boost circulation and relieve pain, this device promises to be a game changer. The REATHLETE leg massager is designed as a full leg compression massager, covering the thigh, calf, and foot areas. It's built with 4 airbags spread across 3 zones, providing targeted air compression that gently massages your legs to improve blood flow and ease muscle discomfort. What makes this device stand out is its versatility. It offers 4 different modes and 3 adjustable intensity levels, allowing you to customize your massage experience based on your needs and comfort. The massager is made from a high-quality, breathable ripstop fabric, which means it's durable yet comfortable enough for long-term use. It fits a broad range of heights, from about 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 2 inches, and comes with extenders to ensure a snug fit regardless of your leg length. The device is powered by a corded electric system, and you control it through a simple handheld remote, making it easy to switch between zones and adjust pressure without interrupting your relaxation. One of the key benefits of using the REATHLETE leg massager is its ability to temporarily increase circulation during use. This is especially useful for those who spend long hours standing or sitting, or anyone looking to speed up recovery from workouts or minor leg swelling. The compression simulates a kneading and stroking motion that can relieve minor aches and pains while promoting relaxation. The setup is straightforward. You wrap the massager around your legs, select your preferred zone and intensity with the remote, and then just sit back and let the device work. Its design focuses on full coverage to deliver consistent compression from thigh to foot, which helps to maximize its effectiveness. For those concerned about longevity and value, the REATHLETE comes with a 1-year exclusive warranty, adding peace of mind with your purchase. It's also positioned as a thoughtful gift for friends or family who could benefit from improved leg circulation and muscle relief. In summary, the REATHLETE leg massager offers a combination of targeted compression, adjustable settings, and a comfortable fit that aims to improve leg function and alleviate muscle discomfort. Whether you're an athlete, someone with circulation issues, or just looking to relax after a long day, this leg massager provides a comprehensive solution to keep your legs feeling their best. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in seeing more in-depth reviews and product insights, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.